If you have a name, why don't you tell us your name? I just heard someone breathing.
Yeah, I heard that too.
Jeff, was that you?
That is not me.
Holy crap.
I heard it.
It was right behind my head. Like in this area. I think we just heard you breathe. Can you breathe again for us?